Hello there, plant lovers. Today we talk about a special plant. It is the Alocasia amazonica. Some call it the African mask plant, others say elephant ear. It is a very popular houseplant. Many people enjoy growing it indoors. Its leaves are incredibly bold. They make such a strong statement. It adds a touch of real drama to your home. This plant has a very unique charm. It certainly deserves all our attention. It is a quite fascinating green companion. This particular plant is a hybrid. It was carefully created by plant growers. It does require some special care, but in return it gives so much beauty. It's a truly rewarding plant to nurture. Watching it thrive is a great pleasure. This guide is here to help you. We will cover all of its specific needs, from the right light to the correct water. Let's begin this green-fingered journey. Alocasia plants generally come from Asia. They also grow in eastern Australia. They absolutely love tropical places. So it is not really from the Amazon jungle. The name Amazonica can trick you sometimes. But now you know its true origins. Understanding this helps us care for it. The Amazonica is a special mixture, a hybrid, as we have already said. It was created inside a plant nursery. It is likely from two other Alocasia types. Alocasia longiloba is thought to be one parent. Alocasia sanderiana is likely the other. This was done by very clever plant growers. They aimed for its unique, striking look. Imagine the home of its parent plants. Think of warm, steamy, lush rainforests, growing happily under very big trees. There is lots of shade and moisture there. The air is always very heavy and humid. The soil is rich with fallen leaves. We try to copy these conditions at home. This is the path to a thriving plant. Nature provides the best instruction. The leaves are certainly the main show, that they have a deep dark green color. Sometimes they look almost entirely black with bright silvery veins that stand out, or these veins can be a crisp white. The leaves are shaped like arrowheads, or sometimes they look like hearts. They are truly stunning to behold. Each leaf is a work of natural art. The leaves feel quite special to touch. Often they are very glossy and smooth. They have a lovely, healthy sheen to them. The undersides of the leaves are different. They can be a deep, rich purple color. This adds even more visual interest. Its stems are properly called petioles. These strong stems hold up the big leaves. They are often a much lighter shade. Sometimes they even have faint patterns. The plant itself tends to grow upright. It stands tall and quite proud-looking. Its common name, African mask plant, fits well. The leaves do look like ceremonial masks. It brings a piece of living art into your room. Section 4. Keeping your Amazonica happy. The essentials of care. Light is a very important factor. Your Alocasia needs bright, indirect light. Please do not put it in direct sun. That harsh light will burn its leaves. An east-facing window is often very good. Gentle, filtered light is what it prefers. Think of light under a forest canopy. Water your plant carefully and thoughtfully. Keep the soil consistently moist, but never soggy. Water it when the top soil feels dry. In the winter months, water much less. Filtered water is a very good choice. The soil must drain extremely well. An airy and light potting mix is needed. Peat moss helps to hold some moisture. Perlite helps to make the soil airy. Ensure your pot has good drainage holes. Warmth and humidity are its best friends. This plant likes warm rooms, ideally between 18 and 27 degrees Celsius. High humidity is an absolute must for it. Keep it well away from cold drafts. Section 5. Common troubles helping your plant thrive. Yellowing leaves can sometimes happen. This often means there is a water issue, perhaps too much water or too little. Feel the soil carefully to check it. Adjust your watering schedule first. Observe your plant closely for clues. Do you see brown tips on the leaves? This is often a sign of low humidity. Try to raise the humidity around it. Mist your plant a little more often. Also check your water quality. Tap water can sometimes contain salts. Using filtered water can make a difference. Pests can sometimes decide to visit. Spider mites are a common bother for these. Look for very fine webs under the leaves. Wipe the leaves clean quite often. Use a soft, damp cloth to do this. Insecticidal soap can help if needed. Mealybugs are another possible pest. Check for little white, fluffy spots. Regular inspection is your best defense. Alocasias can be a bit dramatic sometimes. Section 6. Why we love it. the Amazonica's appeal. Its visual look is just simply fantastic. It is a real and immediate eye-catcher. It is almost like a living sculpture, but it is alive and growing with you. The very dark leaves are incredibly bold. The light, contrasting veins really stand out. This strong contrast is so very pleasing. It is almost a designer's dream plant. It has a natural sense of style, a sophisticated presence in any room. It brings a small piece of the tropics indoors. That is such a lovely feeling to have. It has a very distinct and exotic air. Many people really like this particular vibe. It adds an undeniable touch of jungle. It makes a space feel more special. It connects us with faraway nature. It does need good and consistent care. But when it grows well and flourishes, the reward you feel is truly great. It is such a complete joy to see. It is a satisfying plant for many growers. A happy Alocasia is a happy owner. Section 7. Curious facts, more to know about your Alocasia. The name Amazonica is mainly for sales. It is what we call a trade name. It is not its official botanical plant name, and it is not actually from the Amazon. It was first created in sunny Florida, in a plant nursery back in the 1950s. So the popular name tells a little story, but not entirely the true origin story. It is a product of human ingenuity. Alocasias can sometimes take a rest. They might decide to go dormant. This happens especially in the winter months if it gets a bit too cool for them, or if the light levels are quite low. The leaves might droop and then drop off, but the rhizome, the root, is still alive. Water much less and wait for spring. Yet new growth will usually come back then. Patience is important during this time. This plant is in the arum family. This large plant family is called Araceae. Philodendrons are its well-known cousins. Monsteras are also in this family group. Handle with care and enjoy its beauty safely.